Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the document. Now make the controls visible. Tap once in the document body to reveal the top bar and formatting menu. Once done, try a 2-finger pinch gesture to zoom out fast. Move your fingers together toward the screen center. If that doesn't react, tap the 3-dot menu in the top right to access view or accessibility options. These first steps let you change the page scale or interface zoom without leaving the dock, so you keep context while adjusting. Next, go deeper into zoom controls via the 3-dot menu. Select view or accessibility depending on your app version. From there, change page zoom or text size. Smaller percentages or font sizes produce a zoomed-out appearance. Make sure to try the pinch gesture while in edit mode for precise control. If the app lacks a page zoom option, toggle mobile view settings or reduce document font size temporarily. These middle steps let you choose between visual scaling and actual text resizing, depending on what you need. Finish by scanning a few pages to confirm the new view is consistent. If the zoom level jumps back or gestures fail, close and reopen the app and clear cache from your device settings. That often fixes errant behavior. Make sure the app is updated. Older versions can lack controls. As a final fallback, use your device's accessibility zoom or display size settings to force a smaller view. If problems persist, update the app and restart the phone to restore normal zoom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.